La 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 la. Okay, let us start with opencv. So, as usual, import cv2 is what we do, and what we are doing today is we'll capture the video using our webcam, then we will save it and some other cool stuff. We will use these things to manipulate in the future. So all these things are like prerequisites for our next studies. So what we are doing now is I'm capturing video as usual. Video. Uh, Here we go. Okay. And also we'll see how to play video using OpenCV. The sad part of the sad part about that is there is no audio in that video. Okay, so taradan, 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 taradan. So what we are doing is there is something called as video writer in CV2. So that is what we are using today. So I need to store or I need to save this whole captured video in .mp4 format. So for that I have to access something called as codec. All those things are called as codec. Video writer. This is what we are using. So here there are so many options in this, but what we are using is xvid. So I had no home but you. Rashid Khan after his mother passes away after prolonged illness. Oh God. People are dying. Everyone is dying. Output. So cv2 dot video writer. This is where we are going to store. So what is that I'm going to name as? I'm going to name this as Ruby. This Ruby dot mp4 comma. The very first thing what I'm sending it as the codec, comma. Next thing what we are sending is frame rate, which is 30.0, 30 frames per second, and the resolution. You can pass the resolution too. So I'm passing the resolution. It is just 3 by 2 or something like that kind of resolution. You can give anything. And the same old while true. I need to capture the images continuously. That is what we are doing. Red comma frame is how we capture. So is equals to this. We are reading me, the thing what we captured in the me. So then we are showing it that in show. I have to give the name of. I have to give a name for the window. So what is my TV? Is that is my TV? What do you want to display there? I I want to display the frame what we have captured earlier. And also I have to write it here. Just capturing is not important. I mean, right. I don't know the spelling of right. What did you learn all these days? Frame. I'm writing frame into output. So output is a blank space which was created here, and it is being filled after each and every frame. So, and if cv2 dot wait key, this wait key is, there is an important role of this wait key we'll discuss later. It is, this one defines 1 millisecond. So, and that is that, no problem in that. And that is an and as this and is equals to, and this is how I exit. I'm pressing space and get out. Did you see that the colon? I didn't put the colon. The thing, the computer did it on its own. The computer did it on its own. These machines are becoming more intelligent these days. But they can't replace me, can they? No way. To release them. Release is not like that. There. Yeah. I have to release the output to output dot release there, and I have to destroy the windows. Destroy all windows. Yeah, this is it. There is something wrong here. What is this invalid syntax? Py. Okay, I'm not assigning, I am giving this. So there should be 2 equals there. Fine. This is the thing. Once going through the program, if you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, run the programming. Why is it taking so long? What is wrong? Why is it taking so long? No, it's running. So go back to the directory.
Finally. Hey, could you hold this for a second? Thanks. Hey, is this anybody's bike? No? Hey, buddy, is this your bike?
Not changed.
Has anyone have a pen? Do you have a pen? Everybody good?
Yeah, everybody good. Everybody good. Good. So we just saw a bit of what is it? Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. See that there is no audio in that. Okay. So that is that. We know how to save a video file now. But there is one more thing that we can do. That is, we can read the the video file what we just wrote. That is how this zero was accessing a camera module, which we are not now, which we are not using a camera module. So what we do is we just saved our this thing as ruby.mp4. So, so instead of that, I'm feeding that as my input. So I don't want all these things. I think I need to see this, right? We'll keep that. So we now read the frames of ruby.mp4. So what we are going to do is if me dot is open. So if this is equals to false, if it is false, that means it is not opened. There is no such video. So what we will type here is search video. Okay, that was nice. While so when this is happening, if it is not true, it should show there is no such thing as that. So if it is, we don't have to worry about it. So remember, we used to keep true inside this while loop while taking the live video from webcam. So what we are going to do now is I'll give true using a logical operation is opened. So is opened, is closed, all these stuff will give us logical answer, true or false. If this is true, until and unless we have the video length, so this it should acquire frames. So that's what we are reading, frames from me dot read. Then if the value of ret is equals to true, if it is true, then what are we going to do is we are going to show that dot im show whatever you want. I'll just give frame for now. I'm reading frame, that is why I'm giving it frame. Okay, so if The last one as usual, dot weight key is equals to, this is a tricky point. We just said that, remember that weight key wala one was about 1 millisecond. So now what we want is, we'll play around this, just keeping it as 1 for now, and 0x f is equals to order of which we are assigning as exit wala key. So break, else break. Okay, this else was supposed to be belonging to this. So that is it. After that, as usual, we have to release me dot release the thing, the window. Yeah. So cool. Let us see. See how wait, bro. How fast the video is going on. So I'll give around 30. Maybe that will be a good approximation. If you want very much like a slow mo, which my camera does not support, but still we'll try. Ta-da-da-da-da. Hey, what are you doing? I am Spider-Man. Jump, ding, ding, ding. Ninja Turtle. Okay, this is lazy. Yeah, so you can play around this. For me, 30 is fine, and that works good. Yeah. So remember the thing what we did was something else. So now if I want to understand, the resolution and the resolution, what do you mean by resolution? The height and width of the video what we recorded was, we gave it around 600 to 600 verses per minute. So we'll get that using current me dot get cv2 dot frame width is what I want. Hope this works. Obviously it works. So you see the it is 640 by 480. Simple, cool. That's it. Do that thing as usual. Ta-da.